Welcome back to our 12 days of Christmas. Today I'm gonna share with you how to create a Faux gift box that you can put under the tree, under your Christmas tree, or under the fireplace or over your mantel. So the last year I bought one in Pier 1 or TJ Maxx, I don't remember, but it was super expensive. It was like $45, and now I DIY my own, and I save a lot. So I'm gonna share with you so you can make your own, and they look super beautiful, whatever you want to. So let's begin. What we're gonna need for this project, we're gonna need a box, whatever gift box that you find in the market. We're gonna need some paper of these, some tape, scissors, and of course whatever Faux you got, or those microfiber cloths you find as well in the dollar store. They're good as well. They got in white and they got in cream color. I think the one I bought the last year was in gray color. So the first step, let's jump into it. The first step is wrap your box. I already wrapped one here, so you can see. Just wrap whatever you want, because you're gonna cover with your fur or your what you're gonna use as a fur. So don't matter what you're gonna do, we're just gonna do this so easy. And that's the process for the box. I made separate. You see how I wrap the box in the cover. But we already got one, the biggest here, and the smaller. So the second step for this is take our fur and see the inside. And we're gonna take a pen and we're gonna see what we're gonna use for this box. So I'm gonna begin with this. Box, and we go to do a little down because the box gonna be closed. We're gonna close the box, so we're gonna take the measurement and we're gonna put just the foot down. The thing from the box can close, so we're gonna begin here. So now let's gonna put our top. So now let's gonna begin to paste this. I already did this. You see, you don't gonna be able to open the box. You want to do, because this is just decor, that is just decor, but if you want to open it, you have to do the top and the bottom separate. So we don't gonna open, we're just gonna place under the tree. And I'm gonna put it last touch with this beautiful ribbon and fluffy and those beautiful snowballs. How cute it is! Super cute. What you think a box? It looks like it's turned so beautiful. And this is the other that we did for completely. You see how beautiful it is? I put it. I haven't pasted it yet. I don't know where to put it. I don't know if put it on the top or I don't know if put it in here. But it looks so beautiful. The top, you can put whatever you want on here. You can put a ribbon if you want on an ornament. I like it this. I found in Walmart this in the Dollar General, in the Dollar Tree. I mean. So what a beautiful video. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have given me some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next video tutorials of Christmas. Give a like, subscribe if you are new. Thank you.